I am going to use this framed plate I got at the Goodwill store. I'm going to paint the plate part with this chalkboard paint that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I actually just recently bought a new bottle, so I know they still have them. And then the frame I'm going to paint with this, I don't know what color it is, but Villa Green acrylic paint by Folk Art, and I'm going to use that around the border. Okay, now I'm going to let that dry, but I did want to make a note. Don't do what I just did, where you squirt it right on it. That's just kind of what I prefer to do, but I had way too much and I had to dab up some of it. Less is definitely more, and you can avoid that problem if you don't just add paint directly to your piece. Anyway, I'm gonna let this dry, see if I need another coat, and then I'll go ahead and do the frame. Here it is finished. I really like how it turned out. I like this green. I wasn't sure what color to make the frame. I was wishing I had a blue, but actually I think I really like this green even better. So I'm just glad that I had this lying around, because I was trying to decide what I wanted to do today, and I feel like this was a really fun, easy, simple project that anyone can do. So if you end up making your own, please post it and tag me at the Pre-Love Project shop. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.